Welcome to Pejaroiya YouTube channel. In the heart of the forest, as the rain begins to fall, a quiet act of love unfolds. Mother birds, wings outstretched, shield their fragile chicks from the storm. With each drop, they stand strong, a living umbrella, a guardian of life. In this simple yet powerful moment, nature reminds us of the beauty of protection, sacrifice, and unconditional love. Witness the tenderness of the wild, where even the smallest hearts show the greatest courage.